Hello people, welcome to the video. My name is Asad and would you look at this? These are Singaporean noodles and that is what we're making today, so let's go. Start with water required to boil 400 grams of rice noodles. Now I know these aren't exactly rice noodles, these are rice sticks because I couldn't find any rice noodles. So you can use these two or just use the regular rice noodles. It's the same process, the same taste, so work with what you've got. So after boiling it, drain it and set it aside for a while and start working on vegetables. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add onion, capsicum, red bell pepper, then add the white pieces of spring onions and saute for however long you prefer. Although the less you do it, the crispier the vegetables are, so do it according to that. Then take it out, set it aside and start preparing chicken and prawns. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 beaten eggs, do this, and then take out the eggs too. Then again add some oil, 4 to 5 tablespoons of it. Add garlic, ginger, 150 grams of chicken. Cook it for a while and let it turn white like this. Then add half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, then add 5 to 6 prawns. Then add some curry powder and cook it for a while. Then add the noodles and mix it a bit. Then add the eggs that we prepared and the vegetables. Then add soy sauce, some salt, and garnish it with green onion leaves. And there you go. Simple, wasn't it? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, like the video. See you in the next one.